In this video, we're going to be making these chocolate balls using Marie biscuits. These are so easy to make and perfect for this festive season. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. Now first, I like to break my Marie biscuits into smaller pieces, but later you're going to grind these into a powder. You can also crush them by hand if you want to, but basically you want them to be powdered. Once those are done, transfer them to your mixing bowl and set it aside. Now you're also going to crush the cashew nuts. I like to crush them by hand so that they are a bit chunky and you can feel them while you're eating your chocolate. Set them aside in a bowl. Now to your Marie biscuit powder, add the cocoa powder and the cashew nuts. Mix it until it's uniform. Then add in the sweetened condensed milk. And you're going to mix this until you have a uniform dough. You may have to switch to your hand because this mixture does get a bit sticky. And once your dough is ready, you can start scooping it with a spoon and make balls with your hand. Now you can leave this just as is or coat it with different toppings. So I'm using desiccated coconut here. You can also use some colorful sprinkles. And you can also use plain chocolate sprinkles. You can also use cocoa powder to coat them, but I did not do that. And your chocolate truffles or balls are ready to be eaten. Here's me taking a bite into it. You get the perfect mix of cocoa, the Marie biscuit stays delightful, and you have cashew nuts in every bite. I really hope you try this out this festive season and let me know how they turn out for you. I'll see you soon with new recipes. Bye!